The San Ramon real estate market has remained resilient, defying seasonal expectations and exhibiting strength in the face of low inventory, strong sales, and minimal changes in interest rates. I'm Tony with Clarkson Santoro, and this is our real estate update for the week of Friday, June 23rd. In this series, we update you on the latest trends that are occurring in our real estate market here in San Ramon. Using our more than 50 combined years of experience helping clients buy and sell homes, we explain what those trends mean for you as a homeowner or as someone who is looking for a house that you will love to call home. The current inventory in San Ramon is 19, down from 22 last week. The average asking price of those homes was $2,372,000, which is down from last week's average of $2,510,000. 12 homes asking an average of $2,225,000 went pending this week. That is more pending homes than last week's number of 8, with a slightly lower average asking price from last week's $2,256,000. And a total of 8 homes sold this week with an average sales price of $1,944,000. That average sales price is down from last week's average price of $2,175,000, and the total number of sold homes was the same as last week's 8. So now that we have know the market's performance over the past week, let's look at the broader trends that provide insight into the overall health and potential future direction. Before we proceed, if you find this information valuable, we encourage you to subscribe so that you don't miss out on future updates. And why not share it with a friend? Everyone deserves to be in the know about their local market. All right, let's take a closer look at the market indicators, shall we? Inventory in San Ramon experienced another drop this week with only 19 homes available for sale. This number is 5.6 times lower compared to the same time period last year, when there were 108 active homes on the market. Inventory remaining below 25 homes, like it has for the past several weeks, is a major factor contributing to the strong sellers market in San Ramon. With approximately 16,000 single-family homes in the area, it means that only 1 out of every 840 homes is currently listed for sale. This limited selection leaves buyers with very few options, resulting in a rapid turnover rate of available homes. Speaking of the market turnover rate in San Ramon, it has experienced a significant increase this week, reaching 189%. That's 89% above the normal rate. This marks a notable jump from the previous week when it was 45% above normal. And in comparison to the same time last year when the market was sluggish, we were experiencing a turnover rate of just 74% of normal. The current acceleration is remarkable. To put it into perspective, the market is currently turning over approximately 7 times faster than it was a year ago. That quick turnover rate is leading into this over-under number being high again. Buyers in San Ramon continue to exhibit strong bidding activity, with an average winning offer surpassing the list price by $86,000, or 4.7% over the asking price. Contrasting that with the same period last year when the market was experiencing a significant slowdown, and the amount buyers were willing to overbid had dropped steeply from $250,000 over in the early spring to $124,000 around the same time last year, and it eventually fell off to below asking price in July. The market then experienced a 7-month period with average sales prices consistently below the asking price until February of this year. It is important to note that this bidding activity is a lagging indicator reflecting market conditions 30 to 60 days prior when the houses first went pending. And as expected, the average sales price in San Ramon is showing consistent improvement on a weekly basis in comparison to last week's average sales price. In comparison to last week's average sales price, it's risen approximately $19,000, representing a 1% increase. Since mid-February, there has been a substantial overall increase of over $400,000, or roughly 25%. Considering the 30-day rolling average of pending asking prices, which currently stands at around $2,050,000, It is anticipated that the average sales price will continue to rise for at least another month or two. If the trend of overbidding persists, there is the possibility that it may reach the 2.1 million, closely matching the peak values observed last spring of 2022. Part of what's driving that increase is the fact that the Invesco Triple Q fund showed relative stability of performance. It did drop slightly with a change of about 1%, but it is noteworthy that the fund's current level is comparable to the high point it reached in January of 2022, which was approximately 17 months ago. Stability in the Triple Q fund usually translates to high buyer confidence in the San Ramon real estate market, which then leads to a seller's market. Similar to the high-tech stock equities, there was minimal change in the interest rates this week. The rate experienced a slight decrease of just 2 basis points, bringing it to 6.67%. As we have discussed previously, the market's growth is being influenced by the rapid increase in interest rates, which have risen from the 3% range in March of 2022 to their current levels. The majority of homeowners have benefited from low interest rates obtained during their initial purchase or refinancing, resulting in a hesitancy to relinquish their 3% mortgages in favor of higher rates associated with new homes. However, individuals who own their homes free and clear or have minimal mortgages are taking advantage of this situation. We are observing that older couples are cashing out of their homes and downsizing to single-story residents. Overall, the San Ramon market had another positive and stable week, defying the typical slowdown associated with the summer season. This continuous strength in the market can be attributed to both the low inventory levels and robust sales in activity. All indicators consistently affirm that San Ramon is currently experiencing a strong seller's market. Despite the traditional seasonal patterns, this market has not shown signs of slowing down, primarily due to the limited availability of homes for sale and the high demand from buyers. Thank you so much for tuning in for our weekly market update. We hope this summary and commentary provided valuable insights into how our market impacts your options. If you have any specific questions about navigating the market to buy or sell your home, don't hesitate to drop a comment below or reach out to us directly. We're here to guide you every step of the way. And if you did find this information helpful, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons so you'll always be up to date on the latest real estate news here in San Ramon. Have a safe weekend, and we'll see you next week with a new update.